Hey, what's up folks? Welcome to your 11 data structure tutorial with JavaScript for the beginners. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about graph concept in data structure. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Well, hello, my name is Atiq Ahmed. I am here because I love to give the presentations. Beside all the details given at my blog at coachsec.com, more details also you can find me at my website atiqahmed.com. So what is graph? A graph is a data structure consists of finite set of vertices, also called it nodes or points, in together with a set of unordered pairs of these vertices of its undirected graph or set of ordered pairs or for a directed graph. These pairs are also known as edges or links or lines, and for a directed graph are also known as arrows. The vertices may be the part of the graph structure or may be the external entities represented by the integer, indices or references. So looks like the entire definition is little bit complicated, right? So let me make it easy for you. So there are few types of graphs are there. So let's discuss one by one. So the first one is cyclic and acyclic graph. So if you see the diagram, you probably have a better understanding what do I mean by cyclic and what do I mean by acyclic graph. So a cyclic means a cyclic graph contains of each one cycle, you can see that, and where acyclic graphs contains none. So you can see that there are no cycle. So in the next, let's discuss about what is directed and undirected graph. A directed graph have the edges with a direction. So you can see that there are three nodes are there and each and every node has been connected to another node and each and every node has been pointing to another node as well. And each and every edge indicates a one-way relationship in that each edge can have only traverse in a single direction. Alright, so can you see that from this diagram? You will be having the better understanding. So what is undirected graph now? Undirected graph have edges that do not have a direction. The edges indicate the two-way relationship. In that edge, you can traverse both directions. Right? So you can see that there are three edges are there and the three edges has been connected to three nodes and you can traverse in both directions. Alright. So let's discuss now what is weighted and unweighted graph. If the edges in your graph have the weights, then in your graph is said to be weighted graph. So you can see that the one has been connected to 2, one has been connected to 3 and the weighted will be 12 and minus 2. And if the edges do not have the weights, the graph is said to be unweighted graph. Just the example of my left hand side. A weight is a numerical value attached to each and every individual edge. An unweighted graph may be used to have a built relationship. The term of magnitude doesn't exist. Alright, so let's go now and do the hands-on coding in order to get a better understanding. So let's go and discuss about the most popular graph in the graph concept, so which is undirected graph. So you can see that in this particular diagram here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are the vertices and the connected edges are 3 and 1. So you can see that 3 and 1 and 1 and 3 both are connected. Then 3 and 4. Then you can see that 3 and 4 and 3 both are connected. 4, 2. So 4 and 2 and 2 and 4 both are connected. 4, 5. 4 and 5 are connected and 5 and 4 both are connected. 1 and 2, 1 and 0. 1 and 2 and 1 and 0. So you can see that 0 and 1 and 2 and 1. Then 0, 2 and 6, 5. 0, 2 or 2, 0. 6, 5 or 5, 6. Both are connected. So we'll be going to do this using the JavaScript. So let's go and do the hands-on coding in order to get a better understanding. So we'll be having a class called graph and let's call it as an undirected graph. Okay, and we'll be having a constructor this dot number of edges is equal to 0 and this dot adjacent list. So let's create a method called add vertices. So add vertices, which will take a node, and we'll say this dot adjacent list of node is equal to array, and let's increment the number of edges plus plus. Then we need to create another method which is called edges. So we can say add edges, which will take a node of 1 and node of 2, which is nothing but the 2 vertices, right? So you can see that 2 value it will take, right? So 3 and 1 is getting connected, right? 3 and 1 are connected. The similar way 3 and 4 are connected, right? So for that reason we need to take 2 value. Then we have to say this dot adjacent list of node of 1 dot of push node of 2, and the similar way you need to say node of 2 dot push of node of 1. Alright, then I have to say so connections, and I have to say console dot of log this dot of adjacent list. Alright, so let's instantiate the class by saying const of undirected graph new of undirected graph, and undirected graph dot add edges, which we need to add 0, then we need to add 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then we need to say undirected graph dot add vertices, and we need to add first 3 1 3 4. So 3 1 and 3 4, then 4 2 4 5 4 2 4 5 and 1 2 1 0, 1 2 1 0, then 0 2 6 5 0 2 and 6 5. Alright, so let's print the graph now by saying undirected graph dot show connections. So let's run the guy. Oh, so looks like we got some error here. So let's go and check what is the error. So looks like we are calling here adjacent list, and which we will be doing here itself add edges, and add edges we are sending single element but we are pushing 2 elements. So we done a mistake. So all those things will be add edges, and in the places of add vertices you can do add edges. Alright, so let's clear the screen. So you can see that I have the result where 0 has been connected to with 1 and 2. So you can see that 0 has been connected to 1, and 0 also has been connected to 1 and 2, and 1 has been connected to 3, 2 and 0. 1 has been connected to, you can see that 3, 2 and 0. 2 has been connected to 4, 1 and 0. So 2, you can see that connected to 1, 4 and 0, and 3 has been connected to 1 and 4. 3 has been connected to 1, and the similar way 3 has been connected to 4. 4 has been connected to 3, 2 and 5. So which is 3, 2 and 5. 5 has been connected to 4 and 6, and 6 has been connected to 5. Alright. So in this tutorial we have discussed about graph concept in data structure. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this playlist. I'm gonna see you very soon with the next topic. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel in order to get more video updates. Thank you guys.